Hey, welcome to the TCG investment course. Super excited to have you here. If you're into trading cards, Pokémon, Magic, One Piece, whatever your jam is, you're in the right place. This course is all about turning that passion into something bigger. Like, seriously, people are building legit side hustles, even full-time incomes, just by buying and selling the right cards. And don't worry, you don't need to be some Wall Street genius or have a crazy big collection to start. We're going to break everything down step by step. Simple, clear, and practical. Think of it like having a good friend walk you through the world of TCG investing. We'll talk about what makes cards go up in value, how to find hidden gems, where to buy and sell, and yeah, even how to avoid scams. 'Cause there are definitely some out there. Oh, and we're doing this with real examples, real marketplaces, real strategies. Also, we're not doing boring lectures here. It's quick, focused lessons. You can watch them on your break, after work, whatever fits your schedule. Sound good? One more thing, you're not doing this alone. We built this with a small team of collectors and investors who've been doing this for years. Over 50 years combined, actually. So yeah, we've seen the highs, the crashes, the hype, and we're still here because we believe in a space. So, ready to learn how to turn cardboard into cash? Let's get started. All right, quick heads up before we dive in. We're not affiliated with Pokémon or with Magic, Yu-Gi-Oh, One Piece, or any other trading card brand at all. We're independent collectors and investors. This course, it's based on our own experience, research, and opinions. We don't get paid by any brand, publisher, or platform to promote their products. Now about money stuff. Nothing in this course is financial advice. We're not financial advisors. We're here to educate, inspire, and help you make smarter decisions. But in the end, you're responsible for what you buy, sell, or hold. Also, prices change, markets move. So while we do our best to stay accurate, things might shift by the time you're watching this. Keep that in mind. Finally, copyright. All logos, characters, and product names used in this course belong to their respective owners. We use them only to explain, review, and educate under fair use. So yeah, that's it. No hidden agendas. Just straight up info from collectors to collectors. Let's go.